Brenda with a 10-year rat problem? We're gonna solve it right now. So I personally talked to Brenda over the phone, and you can just hear in her voice, I've spent thousands of dollars. I'm at my wit's end, so we literally gotta solve this for her.
Hi, I'm Brenda.
Brenda, we're the twins. How are you?
I'm good. I have been on this journey for 10 years.
10 years?
It's just been ongoing.
For 10 years?
For 10 years, about in 2012. It was so bad that if she just heard one in the kitchen, she would not even go in her kitchen.
Well, we're gonna do our magic today.
I've done everything else. I've been with the big companies. I've been with the small companies. So far, nothing has worked. Everything appears to be closed up, but nothing is working. So you're my last resort. In this bathroom, there's a lot of scratching and stuff in there. And then over here, after they did the whatever work they did, they changed the installation and all of that.
How many companies? I think Brenda said like 2 or 3, huh?
2 or 3, yeah. And I hear them somewhere down in there.
Well, I can smell it.
You smell it?
Oh yeah, bad.
It smells awful.
I'm gonna get on the roof and smell that kitchen vent. There she is. Absolutely nothing. Here's the bathroom vent. I can't tell. It's a mixture of laundry soap with a pungent smell. Just a little hint.
I can't quite tell.
Absolutely nothing. Nope. All right, let's go underneath, right underneath that kitchen and see what we have here.
Well, it's time to go in now.
All right, the guys have the smoke on, so we're gonna go ahead and try to see if we can get any smoke out of here. So far, nothing. Starting to smell some urine in here.
That's from him, not me.
Okay, I found an open pipe right here. Let's see here.
Damn, that's nasty.
I don't know why nobody's caught this. Enrique!
Yeah, I heard you knocking. I see 2 marks in the drywall exactly where you're knocking.
Oh, you do? Okay. Well, there's an open pipe here. All right, I'm gonna start crawling towards the kitchen now. Oh, wow. Look at the rodent droppings. Talking hundreds of them. This goes right into the kitchen cabinets. I don't know why they didn't exclude that. So my theory is they're coming out of here, walking here, and then getting up into the kitchen right there. I can't believe the other technicians missed this. So this was placed right here. Nobody ever put the cap on.
Well, it's sloppy.
We got smoke coming out of this opening right here that was never capped off. All right, guys, here's a quick little tip. So if you want to know how bad your kitchen cabinets are with infestation without having to open up the top of the cabinet here, providing that you have crawl space, you can just take something like this and just tap on the wood, and you can hear all the rat droppings bouncing off the wood here when I hit. You can just tell there's just hundreds and hundreds of rat droppings underneath this kitchen cabinet. That's why the kitchen cabinets are smelling so bad. And this type of stuff needs to be excluded as well, because if they would have excluded this area here, rats can't get in there, rats couldn't get underneath the kitchen, then you can isolate them to the crawl space here. All this needs to get cleaned up. Look at this, look at that.
Oh my God, what is that?
Let's go tell Brenda the discovery here, the amazing finds. So a couple of things here. The biggest discovery on how they're getting in, and it lines up right where that kitchen is. So all the drain pipes underneath the house are all in great shape. The problem is what we call a clean out, which is the end of the run. It wasn't capped off. They're getting out of that big end pipe there, and it goes right to the kitchen. Look at the amount of rat droppings. This is right underneath.
Oh my God.
Okay, Brenda just approved us to take care of everything. The backflow device, the sanitization, the plumbing repairs. Got a long day ahead of us, but super excited that we found the entry points. Ooh. Bad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the understatement of the year.
Thousands and thousands of rodent droppings. Right there. Right there.
We found it.
Okay guys, we're gonna vent this out as we extract, so it's going all the way to the outside. We went ahead and pre-soaked it, wet all of the droppings, all the wood substrate before we extract with the vacuum. Brenda spent over $8,000 in just one company for exclusion and cleanup. I don't know how they missed this.
They're just bad at their jobs.
All right, so you remember the before? Here's the after.
It looks amazing.
Put some spray foam underneath that shower. Sometimes when you're in the crawl space, it is quite cool in here, but you've got to wait for material for the guys. So sometimes that's a good opportunity just to take a little snooze and a quick little power nap. I scared you. If I made you jump, put it in the comments. So I want to see if my acting is still that good. How are we doing, guys? It's nothing like being in a dark crawl space, guys, and they don't respond. You're stuck in the middle of this large crawl space, and if something was to go wrong, nobody's around. That's the spookiness of being in a crawl space. You can see that the other guys did the exclusion work there. Wasted a lot of foam, but that's not the most effective exclusion work right there at all. They would have went to the kitchen and did the same thing though. It would have prevented all of that contamination underneath that kitchen sink. It's unbelievable how they were to go this far, but the shower and that kitchen, they completely missed.
They just gave up.
We're gonna go ahead and put the backflow device right here. This is the main artery before all of the plumbing fixtures in the house. Oh gosh, here we go.
Hey, Jimmy! Enrique!
Enrique! Not supposed to be using the water right now.
Yep.
Now we're getting water in our crawl space.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
I specifically told everybody not to use the water. At least we didn't see a big rat turd coming through. So there's an arrow on this, guys. The arrow is always towards the flow, which would be towards the city street.
Write that down, write that down!
Okay, we've got it installed. We're gonna do a leak check, make sure that there's no leaks. Do all the toilets.
Flush all the toilets.
Okay, there's 2 flushes. No leaky loo. Everything is looking good. No más ratones. Whew. All right, now it's time to do that beautiful crawl, Raul. Why don't we just stay here? Why don't we just live in here and live with the rats?
Put some curtains up, yeah?
Put some curtains, get a mattress, relax. We got all the vent holes here. We can dial Uber for food.
There you go.
Okay, all right. Okay, so you can see we've extended the clean out now to the outside. And anytime you do a clean out, you always want to have access to the exterior portion of the property, not the inside. So that's been completed for Brenda. We got a lot accomplished. We extracted all of the rodent droppings in there. We sanitized all the soil. We did all the exclusion work. We packed a bunch of wire mesh and then foam from the bottom. We extended the sewer clean out all the way out. Oh, wow. I'm gonna do one more spray underneath before we leave. We're letting that enzyme soak into the wood substrates. We're gonna do one last treatment. We'll set a trap underneath there just in case there's any lingering rats. I doubt there is, but just as a preventative measure.
I just wanted to tell you thank you. I appreciate all the work that you and your men have done here. And I am so thrilled that I have had this opportunity to work with you and your brother. And I will deal with you from now on. Small problems, big problems. You will be my go-to company.
Thank you so much, Brenda. I'm so
you.
happy that we were able to find. I wish you were to called us 10 years ago.
Just within this year alone and all those thousands and thousands of dollars that I have spent, but you guys found the answer for me. And
Thank you,
again,
Brenda.
I applaud you and thank you.
That deserves a hug. That deserves a hug. Well, that right there makes it all worth it, guys. Making a difference in somebody's life. And it's amazing what these rats can do. The disruption that they can make in somebody's life. Right there, that's what it's about.
I was just wondering, can Dave do the rat dance? I've heard so much about it.
You got it. It's coming right now.
Oh, good.
Brenda wants to see the rat dance.
I want to see that rat dance.
You sit there with your martini and enjoy that. Okay, here we go. You guys ready for the rat dance? This is for Brenda. Here we go.
I told you.
Cheers. All right, we landed it. I'm so happy that Brenda's happy and we were able to resolve this for her once and for all. She spent over $10,000 with these other pest control companies, and we gave her that peace of mind that we promise her we solved it once and for all. You can tell, completely happy. The words that she expressed towards our services meant so much. So please put the comments down below. Love to hear what you'd have to say. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.